This is the elevator at the Regency Condo in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is originally a vintage Westinghouse, but that layer is modernized by most likely Lynn's elevator service with Monitor PC. Yuck. Going on the ground, this looks like a fresh margin tree. Well, the incandescent light doesn't seem like a fresh thing for the indicator to go down. Weird modernization. Traction. Not surprising for a vintage Westinghouse. Your ground smells like flowers in here. Interesting. Straight. Interior go up. Yuck, I was expecting this to be a vintage Westinghouse. Just like the other buildings in this complex are original, but nope. If I noticed it was modern, I wouldn't have tried to get in here as hard. Seems brighter. We'll go back to the one. ADA phone, fire operation, which I believe is locked. Nice and basically done cab. Does not blend in with the building at all. Nice, but non-matching flooring. Originally brass, but now stainless steel. Here back at one. Very generic. JL door operator Dahlstrom.